Ashish Devra. I am a proud BNI Sharks Siliguri region member since 2018. I am representing tiles category. My firm name is Ganayak Sales, and we have been in this business since 2003. A friend of mine asked me to come to a meeting early in the morning. He was a childhood friend of mine and I thought he was doing some kind of a prank. But when I attended the meeting and I entered the hall, I saw 50 top businessmen from the town talking about business in a very structured format. I was really impressed at that meeting and I wanted to be the part of that association right from that time. That is my first BNI experience. BNI is a integral part of my life. During pandemic, my brother, he was COVID positive and was admitted. We were not allowed to visit him and I couldn't go to contact the doctors. As I went in the hospital, there was thousands, hundreds of people sitting to meet the doctors. I could not connect to her. Then I came to know a friend of mine. She was a sister-in-law of his and I connected him. That very day, he just called me up. He himself behaved as a younger brother to my elder brother. He took the reports for doctor and updated me every day. During this lockdown, my childs, they were having online classes and all. Whatever the IT problems they faced, they didn't even had to ask me. They knew the IT guy in my chapter and called him. And he took care of all their needs. And today, whatever we require, whatever in my family they need, sometimes they don't even ask me and just call my friends in my chapters and ask them to send in. And I'm sure they are supplied with the best material at the best pricing. So this is what BNI has been an integral part of my life now. I have done a huge business in BNI. Over the past years, I have got lots of business, I have got lots of referrals, and I have been connected to many people. Some of them were like a dream come true. I always wanted to do something for the education industry. BNI introduced me to the promoters of Delhi World School that is coming up at Ambari, and we are the main suppliers for the tiles today. And I have also been connected to the hotel projects and tourism projects that is coming up in Yangon and Paro, and all this because of the BMI members. Really grateful to be a part of such a beautiful organization. All the 7 core values of BMI are very important in my business today. I have incorporated nearly all the 7 core values, being most important, the giver's gain, building relationship, lifelong learning, accountability, recognition, tradition and innovations. All this I have followed in my business. Today, I realize the value of giver's gain. Earlier, when I passed on referrals, I used to not get the referrals, but today, I get 2-tier referrals, 3-tier referrals, organ referrals. Every day, it has helped me to groom myself, how to pitch my products, how to talk to the customers, how to present myself, and it has been a lifelong learning. The entire BNI region, the entire BNI team, my fellow members, and the entire region of BNI who is there to support me in every step of my life, not only in business, in all the steps of my life. And I must thank you for helping me to change the way I do the business. Thank you very much.